beg you for something. Like that kind of 5K, make I take do offering for Sunday. Don't say.
Hello, my beautiful people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so now they fine. Now do well so now take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you now well. My people, wonder shall never end. When I see this audio, one I just listen to. I will put am for na more than lis ten to the full audio. Hey, not the way person no go see for this our Africa people hand o when it comes to church. Una know say dem carry am for head like gala, dem dey hawk am dey go. This man now he dey call him friend say abeg make he give am 5,000 naira say he wan take do offering for church, meaning that if you no get money you no fit go church again. Hey my people, some day dem no even get food to eat, but the wetin just consign dem that of Sunday dem must drop money for church even though say dem no get. Can you imagine, to the extent say you go borrow money you wan take pay offering for church? Who do una all this one? Who do una my people? More na wise up oh, more na wise. Western world no be like that. Those people wey be say dem let us know say church dey exist, bible dey exist, dem no carry am put for head like that oh. For where? But our we dey do miracle wey no dey even dey exist. I will put one video for una still watch the video. But una see a pastor for inside altar, he begin dey tell him member say he wan fly go up. Hey na wow. Dem watch our people brain. The way wey dem take watch am no be small thing my people. More na be careful, more na go dey borrow money, go dey give pastor wey sit down here. More na no use una money take more na take eat. This one now when he go borrow money now, go pay for church, he go come dey pay the money. The one wey wan take eat, he no get oh. Can you imagine? How person go just go too low like that, go and borrow money, you wan go carry am go give church? Who you wan give? You see the baba god for there. Na pastor you wan go give, after wey comot you go eat the money. E go eat am for your care, e go put am go eat am for your belle. Since you get mouth you no sabi eat, make dem dey eat am for una mouth for there. Pray for inside your house, God go answer your prayer anywhere wey you call am. Abi una no know say na 419 pastor na him many pass? Na him many pass oh. Those one wey no get job dey get because of say Buhari no give dem job, dem just kukuma start just dey pray dey go say pastor dem be this one, dem dey see miracle. Dem dey see miracle. Why dem no change the country may e be like abroad? Una no dey use una sense, more na still dey use una brain na. The thing if I just dey watch some video, the thing go dey make me dey laugh. May I put the audio for una, more na lis ten, more na still watch this video. All this 419 pastor wey we dey see for Africa, there too many, not be only Nigeria, there many for all corner. Dem dey for Ghana, dem dey for everywhere, even go reach this abroad sef. E just that people wey dey abroad dem too wise. Dem understand say I will come dey give you my own money, now you wan take dey pay the church, now you wan take dey do this one, you dey drive big car dey go. Me wey dey bring the money come and dey use leg take dey waka, even keke dem no get. My brothers and sisters, help me to share this video. God bless you once again. I really appreciate each and every one. So now till they come to my platform, God go bless you now. If you never subscribe to my YouTube, abeg subscribe unto mama. You'll see me for there. Still follow me for my page, Untouchable Mama backup page. Now me get time. One love keep us together. Now bye bye. More na wise, more na not dey throw away una money anyhow. Eat your money for your belle, the best. Na the best way than you go dey throw away for person wey sit down here.
Hello, Ambassador. Good morning, sir. Happy Sunday, sir. I be don dey call you, you no gree pick up. I just say make I beg you for something. Like that kind of 5K, make I take do offering for Sunday. You know say give it shall be given. Thank you. God bless you, bros. I would expect your reply.
God, where you on Sunday morning now they call me, what take 5,000 naira to do offering for church. I dey see your call, I no one pick up. If you reach church, go altar. May you raise your hand up, God knows say you no get. So no need to force God. You no need to force,
Bros, now God I won't give oh. Now God I won't give money oh. I no say me give me money oh. Ordinary 5K oh. When I 5K, oh, you see they do shakara for God. No, me they do shakara for now. God they do shakara for.
God, where you at? It be like say something they walk your brain, Abi. Now God now you want to carry 5,000 naira take give, now you they beg. Why you no go take go walk? You say we go tell me say you need 5K. Can't take push church put for front. Now na character be that. Now go to use God name what they collect for people one. Also, no come up for you. If I catch you, I'll beat you. Well, let me tell you so. You won't give God 5K. Epa.
You see, Amba, person they call on our bros, you go, they do anyhow. So because I they beg you 5K now, it won't begin they insult me. Not just come area, not even just drive past our street at all. And how it be. Now like this, I just send him my account number. If you like, me no send them.
For your life until you die, so I no put bros on my name again, no. May you come out the bros way they call me. Yeah. And as for the matter where it also make me no drive near area, you want me to go kill you? Sure. So now this 5,000 naira now matter now don't they bring you okay, this na Siamo. Okay, no worry now. They come area now. Mas wait till your pa, your entire family now will do me for area.
Yes, Father.
Is this heaven?
Yes, Father.
Is it heaven?
Yes, Father.
I have a woman here.
Yes.
What do you have to say about her? Oh, I should ask her who is Sibo. Sibo. Who is Sibo? Okay. All right. Okay. What else, Papa God? What else, Papa God? God is telling me to ask you, why is it he's showing me a heart? He says we should pray for your children. 2 of them. He is saying the other one is epileptic. The other one is asthmatic. He is saying I should ask you who is in Blawayo. They are in Blawayo. Heaven is on live.